So, Captain America, the eve before its delivery to the customer, iconic looking bike from the 1969 Easy Rider film. To be honest with you, it's probably, I know it's an old film and many replicas have been done, but for me that was the film that got us all involved in choppers and that sort of scene. So Steve will be getting this tomorrow, so I'm going to run through finally what we've done on it, and you'll be able to see when we edit it, the work as it's gone on over the last few months. So this is a 1998 1200 Sportster based on, so obviously it's not the original engine, it's definitely not as it would have been in the film with the rake. Peter Fonda's bike didn't have a front brake, but for obvious reasons. And lots of iconic parts on this bike make it similar to the original. As we know, there's certain things that you've got to have. Obviously the Stars and Stripes tank, the right shape, but we'll come to that. The seats and the sissy bar, the exhaust and the chrome frame. There's lots of other bits after that, but I'll go through those in a bit. But basically the front end hasn't got the length of the forks that Peter Fonda's original would have, but what it has got is the same handlebars, dog bones, risers, as much as we could get these days to match. When this bike came to us, as you'll see from videos and pictures, we didn't make the frame for it. We used his donor bike, which the frame came with, to produce this bike. Although there was plenty of fabrication work on it, that again, as you'll see in the videos and the pictures. So, the tank had to be made. We couldn't find, you can get replica tanks. The problem is that as this bike's slightly bigger from the original, if you put a replica tank on it, it's way too small. Plus you could probably only get a pint fuel in it and you wouldn't get anywhere in that. So this tank's been made to suit with the size, with the petrol tank going in the middle and stretching it either side, so a strip's been put in here. As you can see from when we were fabricating it. So the painter's got all the correct amount of stars, the stripes are the same, the tank would have been slightly narrower here, but I think with the effect of the airbrush gives the same effect. So the tank, the front end and the tank were an iconic part of it. The main brief that the customer gave us is that hardtails are exactly what they say on the can. A hardtail and a hard ride. So as he's a little bit older, and this bike's going to be for show, because with the amount of chrome, you don't want to be cleaning it. You'll clean it more than you ride it. So what we've done is we've fabricated and put in outlet seat system. Again, you can see from when we edit it with the work that went into setting all that out. We've kept this cover like this for the moment because we're not sure if Steve wants to hide it all completely or just fold it up and finish it like that. But that will be his choice to decide. So obviously that caused us quite a few problems because the seat sprung, but the rest of the king and queen seat is solid. This seat was specially made for the bike because obviously it's in two parts. And we believe that we've even got the right amount of buttons in the seat, 142 to be precise. They had to come from the States to match the original. The sissy bar, again, we've watched the film a lot, we've looked at the pictures, we've worked out the height in comparison to the bars when the rider's on it. It is a very long sissy bar, or high sissy bar I should say, but it matches the original as far as we can see. The exhaust system was fabricated to suit the bike, apart from the fishtails, which obviously you can get. Again, all the dimensions have been matched as close as we can to the original, but obviously we haven't got an original size bike or engine. The lighting on the back, there's 4 rear lights. All this bracket here was fabricated again to match the original, and then once all that fabrication work was done, which again you can see in the film on the build-up, putting it all together, it was all stripped down and everything sent to the chromers. So that's why this has taken quite a long time, because it took a while to get all the chrome work done. Once we get off with regards to the seat, the boys that did this know their stuff. It's matched as close as it can to the original, as you can see, and it's what it will be like to be a pillion on it. I'm not quite sure, because it's still going to be very hard. We've also used wide line yokes, again to get as close to the original as possible. The length is not the same as the original, but it does ride much better. So, going that way. That's about it. The videos and the photographs will speak for itself. Personally, I think it's the best sounding Harley that I've heard. I'm not sure if everybody agrees, but obviously you all to have a little look at it. I'm going to have a couple of photos taken before we say goodbye to it, but hopefully we'll see it again on social media where the customer's riding it, and they'll be very happy with it all, and we'll get plenty of photos up on the website. Thanks for watching.
She was a country girl, island shells, and the pearls in a farmer's daughter, oh so given. He was a monster, a tantalizing master, like a leather schemes and high living. She had big city dreams, heard his coyote screams. She had big city dreams. place looked exciting, somehow so inviting. A shrine for souls forgotten. She had big city dreams, heard his chaotic screams. She had big city dreams, yeah. Come, little girl, come to me, show you what you've never seen. Sleep, my child, on my chest, I love you the best. Come, little girl, come to me, show you what you've never seen. Sleep, my child, on my chest, I love you the best. She found the devil's lair down the rickety stairs, exchanged hidden smiles as stone stairs. Lie down on the altar, the king is on his throne. The true world moon, the planets align, and the tide is going high. Come, little girl, come to me, show you what you've never seen. Sleep, my child, on my chest, I love